Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital marketing with Constant Contact, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Constant Contact account if you don't have one. Visit the Constant Contact website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required fields to create your account. Once registered, log in to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Navigate to the Email Templates section. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's identity. Customize the email by adding your logo, colors, and imagery. Utilize drag-and-drop tools to arrange content elements. Incorporate engaging content that resonates with your audience. Preview your email to ensure it looks professional. Send a test email to yourself or a colleague for feedback. Once satisfied, proceed to set your audience list. Import your existing contacts or create a new list. Segment your audience based on interests or behaviors. Choose an appropriate subject line that captures attention. Schedule your email for optimal send times. Monitor the performance metrics after sending. Review open rates, click rates, and overall engagement. Use insights to refine your future email campaigns. Explore Constant Contact's social media tools for further marketing integration. Utilize their automation features for efficiency. Set up automated follow-up emails to nurture leads. Continue to experiment with different content formats. Stay updated on Constant Contact's latest features. Regularly review and adjust your strategy based on analytics. Engage with your audience through various channels offered by Constant Contact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.